So, how much do you really need to retire comfortably? Some say 1 crore, others say 3 crores. But here is the truth, it depends. Because retirement isn't one size fits all, it's personal. In this video, I'll walk you through a super simple step by step way to calculate your ideal retirement corpus. One that fits your lifestyle, your expenses, and your life goals. Sounds good? Let's get into it. What exactly is a retirement corpus? It is the total amount of money you will need at the time you stop working to cover all your expenses for the rest of your life. Think of it as your financial parachute. It gives you peace of mind, dignity, and freedom during your golden years. And trust me, getting this number right can change how you plan the next 10, 20, or even 30 years of your life. Now, how do you figure out your number? There are four big factors that decide how much you will need. Number one, your monthly expenses after retirement. Not just what you spend today, but what you will need later. Food, electricity, medical, hobbies, all of it. Number two, your life expectancy. Most people live into their late 80s or beyond. If you retire at 60, that is 25 to 30 years of expenses. Number three, inflation. It's a big one. What cost you 40,000 a month today could cost 80,000 to 90,000 in 15 years. And number four, the return on your investments. Even after retirement, your money keeps growing through FDs, mutual funds, pension plans, whatever you choose. Let's go through a quick example. Step 1. Say you need 50,000 per month to live comfortably today. Step 2. Now adjust that for inflation. Assume 6% inflation and 20 years to retirement, so that 50,000 becomes roughly about 1.6 lakhs per month in the future. Step 3. Estimate how long you will need this income. Let's say 25 years from age 60 to 85. Step 4. Now we applied what's called a safe withdrawal rate. Most experts suggest 3.5 to 4% per annum. So if you want 1.6 lakhs per month or 19.2 lakhs per year, you will need a corpus of 19.2 lakhs divided by 0.04. That means 4.8 crores. I know it sounds like a massive number, but don't panic. You don't need to save that all today. Let me show you how to build it step by step. Let's say you're 40 years old now and you want to retire at 60. You have got 20 years to invest. If you aim for, say, 12% return, which is quite doable with good mutual funds, you will need to invest around 52,000 per month. But if you start earlier, say at the age of 30, you will need only around 36,000 per month to get that number. So this is the magic of compounding. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Now, here are a few things most people forget to include, like medical expenses. These rise with age. Make sure you have got health insurance and a buffer. One-time cost, weddings, home repairs, travel dreams, factor those in. Pensions on income sources like EPF, PPF, rental income, or even part-time work. Subtract all these from what you will need. And don't forget an emergency fund. Keep 6 to 12 months of expenses aside always. Planning ahead means you won't need to sell your assets or depend on your children later. So, how much is enough? There is no one perfect number, but there is a perfect number for you. The good news? You don't have to figure it out today. Start with awareness and a plan, and just keep investing consistently. The goal isn't just to retire, it is to retire with dignity, security, and peace of mind. If you found this helpful, send it to a friend or a family member who is also thinking about retirement. Remember, the best time to start planning was yesterday, and the next best time, right now. Take care, and Here is to a retirement that feels as good as it sounds. So, what age do you want to retire? And what is your dream lifestyle? Drop it in the comment below. Let's inspire each other.